Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting showdown between two popular dashcams. On the left, we have the ROVE R2-4K Pro dashcam, and on the right, we have the Pilot dash camera. Let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to recording your journeys, video quality is crucial. The ROVE R2-4K Pro boasts impressive 4K UHD recording at 2160p, giving you crystal clear footage. On the other hand, the Pilot dash camera offers full UHD 4K on the front and 1080p on the rear, providing excellent coverage. Both cameras deliver sharp images, but the ROVE R2-4K Pro takes the lead with its higher resolution. Now let's talk about connectivity. The ROVE R2-4K Pro comes with advanced 5G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing you to connect your smartphone seamlessly. You can easily view, download, and share your videos using their user-friendly app. As for the Pilot dash camera, it offers convenient 24/7 technical support and a complete pre-sales and after-sales team. Both cameras have their strengths, but the ROVE R2-4K Pro takes the cake with its impressive Wi-Fi capabilities. When it comes to additional features, the ROVE R2-4K Pro has some impressive tricks up its sleeve. It comes with built-in GPS, allowing you to view real-time speed and compass on the LCD. The camera also offers state-of-the-art technology, including voice guidance, emergency video lock, and loop recording. On the other hand, the Pilot dash camera offers features like infrared cabin light and collision detection. It's a tough call, but the ROVE R2-4K Pro edges ahead with its comprehensive feature set. Let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The ROVE R2-4K Pro is priced at $159, while the Pilot dash camera comes in at $109. Both cameras offer great value for the money, but if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the Pilot dash camera is the way to go. Both the ROVE R2-4K Pro and the Pilot dash camera have their unique strengths. If you prioritize video quality, advanced connectivity, and a comprehensive feature set, the ROVE R2-4K Pro is the clear winner. However, if you're on a budget and still want a reliable dash cam, the Pilot dash camera is an excellent choice. And there you have it, folks. Both the ROVE R2-4K Pro and the Pilot dash camera have their unique strengths. If you prefer the ROVE R2-4K Pro or the Pilot dash camera, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for links to these products. Thanks for watching and stay smart.